You've probably been wondering, is chicks a good idea to get? But in my opinion, I've been getting them for a while. We raised some. This is gonna be my first year. I'm gonna be raising them for meat. Those white ones are meat, and then those other ones are for eggs and stuff. And then I have all these chicks right here. I just got them this year. Hatched them. Oh yeah, and there's some ducklings next to them. And we've had 3 in the past 3 days. And I got 3 rabbits. They're fun to take care of sometimes. And sometimes is pretty much all the time, basically. Then these ducks. I got some mallards. Then I got some other kind that I don't really know what kind it is. Then I got a Muscovy male right there and a Muscovy female sitting on eggs. And there's another mallard in the front that sitting on eggs. And then I'm just basically taking you through a farm tour right now. Then inside of our hay barn, we got guineas that are so loud. They're crazy. Then I got turkeys, chickens, peacocks. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, these chickens are Icelandic. And then I'll tell you all the other names of all my other ones I got that I just showed you. You are probably thinking that chickens are a good idea, but I'll tell you the breeds that are really good for laying. Mystic chickens are good for laying, which I'm doing that, and I've researched. They're crazy good. So these are call ducks, and then we got black copper marans, Easter eggers. Let me show you the black copper marans. This is a black copper. The wings are right underneath. Then let me show you a bantam. We got bantams. We got New Jersey Giants. We got 2 of them. And then we got, what's it called? I'm pretty sure that's it. Let me tell you. Oh yeah, black copper maran, which I already told you. Sorry. Their name is literally just Meatbird. Those chickens. And these chickens are black copper marans. Some sort of Barbroth. It's an experiment. And then we got 2 Icelandics in there. And if I were you, I would build something like that. My brother built it because he used to do this stuff, but he quit because he's just a quitter most of the time. Come in here. You see, I'm using wood shavings. And I'm using these, which is from Tractor Supply. And then this one I've had for 4 years now, and it's been working really good. These rabbits, their feed is just some normal feed. I actually need to feed them right now. So let me just set you right here. Sorry, it's crazy how hard it is to open that thing. When you feed them, it's just some normal rabbit food, nothing special. People might say they poop a lot, but I don't agree. the rabbits. But ducks, they poop a lot. Let me show you the big duck's cage. See, I just put some fresh grass in there a while ago. And look at that. Sorry, I accidentally zoomed in. Look at the mallard. Yeah, this is me. Sorry. I didn't mean to. But look. 2 bit flies. I just put some fresh grass in there. And look, that's what it looks like. It's nasty, bro. Nasty. Those are what those call duck things look like. Remember? It's a mix between a mallard and I forgot the other kind. Let me show you our cache. If I can find them, of course. They're fairly massive. Here. I'm crazy about these things. And I just got a new 4-wheeler. If you can see it over there. I'll zoom in. I got that like 3 days ago. And it's awesome. It's helped so much with all my farming stuff. Wait. Tell me if you see them. Okay, good. No, wait, I'm zoomed in a whole bunch, bro. And I also do a whole bunch of sports like baseball, basketball, flag football. That's basically it. I just went to a Cardinals game a couple days ago. It's fun. Talk about fun. Then our dog over there, his name is Rocky. He stares at everything, and I'm talking about everything. Like, it's crazy. And then like our yard, we just got it mowed yesterday actually. I'm gonna catch a black coppermand. I'm gonna catch the what's it called? Roosters. I don't know where to put you guys, cause I'm here alone, like alone, and I don't know. They're hard to catch through this tiny cage. Yes, I'm Patrick's son, the one that has this YouTube channel. I'm gonna start making videos about all of our animals and stuff, like getting them, how to raise them, and all that stuff. But here's what the black copperman roosters look like at about like 6 or 7 weeks old. They're good. Let me catch a... I'll surprise you. I'll see if you can guess it. I've told you, so you should remember it. Yes. Put the guess in the comment below. Look, this one is a Icelandic. We started out with raising this thing. Let me catch the other one. The other one's more like common. That one's actually pretty uncommon. And you're all the way back there, bro. Rick! No. She's more common kind of the Icelandic. I'll show you what they look like when they get older. Cool. things are fun, bro. I've been raising them from... Those guineas are absolutely crazy. You see that gray one in the middle? That is what this one is gonna look like when it's older. Which it's almost there. It just needs to get the thing on the top of its head, and then it's perfect. Then those roosters are actually pretty cool, in my opinion. And I take these things out a lot, so it's just crazy. And I'm gonna take you through the chicken world. Like, literally. We have way more chickens than ducks. We started with chickens, but next year I'm gonna start a chicken stuff. I'm gonna sell chicks and sell like eggs and stuff. And if you ever want to know, in like a year, just look up Infinite's Hatchery, and then you'll see me, and then just buy stuff from me. It's awesome, bro. Here's what it's like to be a chicken. Flies are everywhere. Look at these things. Let me catch an Easter egg. Here's an Easter egg. That's a hen. We got no hen Easter eggs, sadly. I mean, there's 3 Easter eggs. So, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna start raising every chicken. I'm gonna take you inside of this chicken cage, so you might have an adventure to witness. They poop everywhere, as I was saying. Look. Look at this one. If you want to get a closer look at the Muscovy hen, right there, take you in here. She's blocking it. So let me get her out. She's not happy that I'm filming her right now, so I should get out. And these things, I just have a usual feed bowl right here, something that they sometimes lay in. I already got the eggs for the day, but they usually lay right there instead of in there. I set that thing there for them to lay in, but they never have. I just haven't wanted to take it up just in case. And those small ones aren't the age that they should be to lay eggs, so they're not laying eggs yet. And forgot, like and subscribe if you want more content like this, because it's gonna be fun over the years. Because I'm literally only 9, and I'm gonna be doing this for a while. So say bye to these chickies, rabbits, and peace. Why won't that stop, bro? Peace.